In today's immigration update, we'll discuss Australia's recent decision to more than double visa fees for international students. This move aims to manage record immigration levels and alleviate pressure on the housing market, effective from July 1st. The Australian government announced on Monday that it has more than doubled the visa fees for international students. According to Reuters, the government's latest move aims to control the record levels of immigration, which have already intensified pressure on the housing market. Starting from July 1st, the international student visa fee will increase from $710 to $1,600. Home Affairs Minister Clare O'Neil stated that these changes will help restore the integrity of Australia's international education system and create a fairer, smaller, and better migration system. Official data released in March showed that net migration increased by 60% to a record 548,800 people in the year ending September 30, 2023. The fee increase makes applying for a student visa to Australia more expensive compared to competing countries like the United States and Canada, where the fees are approximately $185 and $110, respectively. Since late last year, Australia has been implementing various measures to tighten student visa regulations, including strengthening English language requirements and raising the amount of savings international students need to qualify for a visa. With these changes, Australia is making it clear that they are committed to regulating their immigration system more strictly. International students planning to study in Australia will need to prepare for these increased costs and stricter requirements.
Stay tuned for further updates and guidance on the UKEVI page to ensure a seamless transition to the new e-visa system.